Happy Friday, boys and girls, and welcome to your very last math lesson of kindergarten. Oh my goodness, next week is going to be a fun week, so we're going to do lots of fun things. So this is your very last math lesson. So I thought it was very important that we just review a whole bunch of important skills, starting with 3D shapes. That's the first thing we did when we started distance learning. Do you remember? So I'm going to hold up a 3D shape and you're going to tell me its name. What's this? Good. I lost my face sticker on this one. Cylinder, right? It has two faces. Good. Ooh, what's this one? One face. Yeah. Cone. Awesome. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square faces. Cube, you're so smart. Ooh, what about this one? It also has 6 faces, but these are all rectangles. Sometimes they're rectangles and squares. What's this? Rectangular prism. Good, that's a tricky one. And this one, no faces. No faces. Sphere. Awesome. And my last one, it has a square face and then 1, 2, 3, 4 other faces. Point at the top. Pyramid. Yes, square pyramid. Oh, geez, to be exact. Oh, my computer, sorry. All right, awesome. Now, can you tell me which of these shapes don't slide? What does a shape need in order for it to slide? Yes, it needs a face. So which one of these shapes doesn't have any faces? Oh, yes, it's the sphere. That's the only one that won't slide, right? It can roll, right? It can't slide because it doesn't have a face. All of these have a face that they can slide on, right? But a sphere has no face, so it can't slide, but it can roll. What else can roll? There's 2 other shapes that can roll like a sphere because they have this quality to them, right? What else can roll? Because it needs a curved surface to roll. Yes, you're right. The cylinder can roll as well as, yep, the cone can kind of roll in a circle. Remember? We did that. It can kind of roll in a circle. Awesome. And which ones can stack? Most of them can stack, right? But some can't stack. Can you stack a bunch of cylinders on top of each other? Yes, right. What about cubes? You can stack a cube. Can you stack pyramids? Yes and no. You can stack a pyramid on top of something, right? One face on top of another face, like this, but can you do it the opposite way? No. So pyramids can't stack because of the point. What else can't stack because of the point? Yeah, this one can't stack again. You can put a cone on top of something else, but you can't put something on top of a cone because of the point. And finally, can you stack balls? No, because they have no face. All right, good job. Mwah! Kiss your brains on 3D shapes. That was awesome. Okay, let's get ready to karate kick. Okay, so look, on all of these pictures, you have at least one that looks like this. You'll see this picture, and that is a group of 10. It has 6 locker spaces on the inside and 4 on top, which makes 10 backpacks, right? And then you have some more over here, extra. Except they don't want to know how many are there. They don't want to know 10 and 4 is 14. It says, what is one more? So you have to count how many backpacks. You have to think 10 11, 12, 13, 14, but you have to karate chop the one that is one more than 14, which is 15, right? Okay, ready? All right, remember, karate chop the one that's one more. Here's my group of 10. Good. One more than 17 is 18. How about this one? Oh, sorry. I gotta let you see all the numbers. Sorry, silly Mrs. Gibbs. Yes, one more than 11 is 12. Nice chopping. What about this one? Good. One more than 13 is 14. How about this one? Oh, yeah, just a group of 10. One more than 10 is 11. Good job, boys and girls. All right, how about this one? One more than this many backpacks. Good, 13. And one more than this many. 16. Awesome. Ooh, what's one more than this many? Give you a little extra time to count. That's a lot of backpacks in that second locker. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Once more. One more. 20. Good job. And this one. 19. One more than 18 is 19. Last one. You have a full 10 plus how many more? Yep, 10 and 6 is 16. 17. One more than 16 is 17. Great job, boys and girls. Mwah, mwah. Double kiss your brain. Some of you are like, too easy, Mrs. Gibbs. Okay, maybe this one. We haven't done this in a while. Do you remember the 3 steps to non-standard measurement? The 3 rules that you have to follow. Rule number 1, same size. Good, right? They have to be the same size paper clips. You can't do little and big. That's not right, right? It won't give you an accurate measurement. Remember, with how big is a foot? When the king measured, he had a big foot, and the apprentice measured, he had little feet, and the bed was too small, right? So, rule number 1, same size. What's rule number 2? Yes, good. You have to go edge to edge, right? You can't start here. You can't start here. You have to start at the very edge and go all the way to the other edge. Go edge to edge, right? So, same size, edge to edge, and what's my favorite? The third, I get to dance. No overlaps or gaps. No overlaps or gaps, right? Did you remember that one? Right, you can't overlap like this, and you can't leave a big gap, right? They have to go one right next to each other with no overlaps or gaps. No overlaps or gaps. Good job. Did I trick you on that one? Oh, well, that's good. I'm glad that I didn't trick you. You're so smart. Okay, how about this one? Have you been counting by 10s lately? What about counting by 1s? At the end of this video, I'm going to have you go count by 1s to your mom or dad. Your big brother or big sister, right? But now we're going to count by 10s. Here's lots of 10 frames. Oh, and since we already did karate chops, I want you to do a karate kick, right? I want you to give me a karate kick. Don't kick the computer. Go ahead and stand up and give me a karate kick for how many 10s? Count by 10s and how many are here? Okay, let's see if you're right. 10. We go top to bottom, left to right. That's a good way to count, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, we got the hard one out of the way first. Okay, let's see how many are here. Karate kick it. Best you can. Good. 30, 10, 20, 30. Oh, good. 20, 10, 20. Awesome. What about this one? Good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 and a 0 make 50. How about this one? Too easy. 10. Did you kick that one really, really hard? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oops, I should have gone 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This one, right? All right, how about this one? They're kind of all blending together. You got to be careful. Did you get this one? 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Woo, woo. This one. Good. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. Good job, boys and girls. Ooh, here's a lot of them. I'll give you time to count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Good job. And last one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Woo, woo. Good job. You're looking good. Whoosh. That was for the girls and for the boys. You're looking good. Whoosh. All right. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. We have done 3D shapes. We've talked about one more. We've talked about the 3 rules for standard measurement. We've done counting by tens. We got to do some addition. Remember, by first grade, you have to know your plus facts and minus facts through 5 like this, right? You're not supposed to have to think about it, right? So you got to say them faster than me. Let's get on our lily pads, right? You're going to jump so high. Let's say if your sum, remember the sum of an addition problem is your answer, right? It's called the sum. If your sum is 3, go ahead and jump on your lily pad. If it's jump up from your lily pad, if it's not 3, then just scream out the answer really loud. Remember, plus zeros, easy. Other number, plus ones, just one more. 2s and 3s, you can just count the dots, right? But you shouldn't have to because we've been practicing these all year. So let's see how you do. Okay, ready? 0 plus 3. 3. Good. What did I say? Oh my goodness, Mrs. Gibbs is losing her mind. Did I say to jump on 3? I think I said to jump on 3, right? So jump if the answer's 3. And if not, just say it out loud. If I change my mind, I'm sorry. Mrs. Gibbs needs some sleep. All right. 3. So you jump so high. Remember, try to beat Mrs. Gibbs. 5. 2. 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2. 3. Leap so high. 1 plus 3. 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. Good. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Did you leap so high? I hope so. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. And 0 plus 3, 3. Leap so high. We're back to the beginning. Good job. your Spidey-rific whoosh. Good job on your plus. Stay on your lily pad. We have one more thing to practice, and those are our takeaways through 5. Okay, this time I'm going to have you leap so high on if the answer or the difference is 2. Remember, the answer in a Sally subtraction or takeaway problem, right, is called the difference. Right? We start with the greatest number, we take some away, and our answer is the difference between the 2. Okay, so this time, go ahead and leap so high if your answer is 2. Ready? All right. 5 minus 3, 2. Leap so high, right? 1 minus 1, 0, right? Anytime you have 1, where those 2 numbers match, you take away all of them, so you always know you have 0. 2 plus 0? 2 minus 0. Silly Mrs. Gibbs. 2. Leap so high. 1 minus 0? 1. 4 minus 0? 4. Oh, I love takeaway zeros. They're so easy. They're always the other number. 4 minus 1? 3. Good. Just 1 less than 4 is 3. 4 minus 4? 0. Right? We took away them all. 5 minus 0? 5. 3 minus 3? 0. I should have had you leap for 0. 0 minus 0? 0. 2 minus 1? 1. 2 minus 2? 0. 5 minus 3? 2. Leap so high. 3 minus 1? 2. Leap so high. 5 minus 5? 0. 5 minus 2? 3. 4 minus 2? 2. Leap so high. 5 minus 4? 1, right? When they're 1 apart, you know it's just, you can actually count up 4, 5, right? You can use addition to subtract. 3 minus 0? 3. 5 minus 1? 4. 4 minus 3? 1. 3 minus 2? 1. 5 minus 3? 2. Leap so high. And I think we were repeating. So we are done with subtraction. Good job. Now, if those were tricky for you, keep practicing throughout the summer. You can make little flashcards like this or go online. And there's lots of games where you can practice these, right? Because we want you to know your facts like that just through 5. If you know up to 10, great. But just through 5 is what we're worried about. So then your brain doesn't have to think about it. Think about what's 5 minus 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, right? It just knows it, and it can concentrate on the harder things you're going to do in math next year in first grade. What? So proud of all of you. All right, boys and girls. I've had so much fun teaching you math. Keep practicing your flashcards. Keep going over things. We're going to send you a summer packet so you can practice your math. And like I said at the beginning, now that my little review lesson is done, go to mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or something and count to 100 and see. Make sure you don't skip any numbers, remember? If you're at 49, think, I know how to count by tens. What's after 40, 50, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. I know you can do it. So proud of you. Love and miss you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Triple kiss your brains. You've worked so hard for me. Give you all a big air hug, a big squeeze. I'm so proud of you. And I can't wait to see you next year, right? You'll still see me reading stories, but I won't be teaching you math next week. So I just wanted to say great job, and I can't wait to see you, to give you a big hug. All right, boys and girls, great job today. Now, go count to 100 by ones, by tens too if you want. You've just practiced. You'll be a master at it. Okay, see you next week for story time. Bye-bye.